Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about top scholarship for class 10th students. Our education system has this peculiar thing where after class 10th we see a drastic change in the curriculum. Students suddenly find themselves facing a choice that would be crucial for their career. The decision of choosing science or arts or commerce stream along with a massive change in the course syllabus can be overwhelming for a child. Moreover, the cost of higher education causes a lot of students to drop out after matriculation itself. This has not gone unnoticed with the authorities, and a number of government and non-government organizations have come together to provide various class 10th scholarships for deserving students. These class 10th scholarships plays a crucial role in tackling the ever-increasing dropout rates at the matriculation level. The worth of education is undeniable, and so it is imperative that each child receive a quality education. In this video, I had covered scholarships which are doing the same, enabling meritorious but economically weaker students a chance for better education. So now talking about the scholarship, number 1, HDFC Educational Crisis Scholarship. The HDFC Educational Crisis Scholarship is specifically for students who are unable to bear the cost of education and are at risk of dropping out due to a personal or family crisis. The HDFC Bank, under the Educational Crisis Scholarship Support, that is ECSS, program, offers this scholarship to provide assistance to such students who are going through a crisis so as to avoid impacts on their education. Eligibility of that scholarship: students in class 6th and above can apply. Benefit of that scholarship: rupees 10,000 and rupees 25,000 for school and college or university fee respectively. Application deadline: application will be open between June and July. Next, CLP India Scholarship Scheme. Aspiring class 10th students from certain locations across the country can benefit from this scholarship. Offered by CLP India, this scholarship aims to provide financial support to needy students, with a special focus on girl students. Under this scholarship program, a total of 850 students will be selected across all CLP-RE asset locations. Eligibility of that scholarship: class 10th to 12th graduation, post-graduation, diploma, ITI, vocational training students across community areas around all CLP India RE assets business locations, that is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Rajasthan can apply. Benefit of that scholarship: rupees 18,000 per annum. Application deadline between May and June. Next, National Scholarship Exam, that is NSE. The National Scholarship Exam is organized by the National Institute of Career Education, that is NICE Foundation, with an aim to identify and nurture talented students and help them pinpoint areas of strengths and weakness. This is an excellent opportunity for class 5th to 12th students to test their knowledge and win attractive cash prizes. Eligibility of that scholarship: class 5th to 12th students, diploma and degree students. Benefit: cash prize up to 35,000. Application deadline between August and September. Next, Bose-Einstein Scholarship Test. The Bose-Einstein Scholarship Test is organized by JMMC Research Foundation that rewards students with monthly scholarship. The participating student performing well in the scholarship test also get exposure to seminars, workshops and research-based products. Eligibility of that scholarship: class 7th to graduation students can apply. Benefit: scholarship worth rupees 36,000 per annum. Application deadline between April and May. Next, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Ignite Awards. The National Innovation Foundation (NIF) offers Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Ignite Awards to school students up to the age of 17 years. The aim of this Ignite Awards is to promote creativity and originality among children. NIF works towards ensuring that children become capable of ensuring an imaginative, inclusive and innovative future of our country. Eligibility of that scholarship: school students up to class 12th. Benefit of that scholarship: appreciation certificate, travel support, financial and mentoring support. Application deadline is August. Next, Kind Scholarship for Meritorious Students. Kind Scholarship for Meritorious Students is an initiative to support academically meritorious students coming from the underprivileged section of society by providing them financial assistance to help them build a foundation for their bright future. Eligibility of that scholarship: class 9th to 12th and college students can apply. Benefit of that scholarship: scholarship worth up to 18,000 per year. Application deadline between August and September. Next and last in our list is CSIR Innovation Award for School Children, that is CIASC. The Innovation Award offered by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research for School Children is for young innovative students. It selects students based on original creative designs and technological project proposals submitted by the students to create solutions for new process and devices, along with cash prize of up to Rs 1 lakh. Students will also receive a chance to avail training cum awareness session with the CSIR officials. Eligibility of that scholarship: students below 18 years of age can apply. Benefit: cash prize up to Rs 1 lakh. Application deadline: April. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.